Hey friends, this is the Mrs. Wolfie from Our Half Acre Homestead and another simple wood stove dinner. Roast beef. Now, I'm just heating this up so that I can sear the roast. This is our last small roast from the freezer. Alrighty. That butter's browned up nice. Fat side down first. Now I can turn the burner off because cast iron holds its heat for quite some time. Pepper and salt. Garlic powder. Doesn't matter where it hits because we're searing it in that butter. And while that's doing that, I'm going to peel some potatoes here. Turn the roast over and sear it on the other side. You only need 3 potatoes. Now, I'll probably do 4. Howie will want extra. Hear how that's still sizzling? And that's been turned off. So I'm going to flip this over and sear the one last edge of it. Unfortunately, we don't have an onion for Father. Alrighty. Now there's that. And tonight, we're having mashed carrots and rutabagas. Let's get this all over to the wood stove. Okay, we're going to set our roast there. Put the lid on. Put on our oven box. And I'm just going to sit this on top to warm up because it's several hours from supper. Okay, and this will get warm enough. Howie put a rod across the back of this oven box so that if I set stuff on it, as long as it's not too heavy, it's going to hold the weight. So we'll see you at dinner. Alrighty. First things first, I have taken, I've drained my turnips and carrot, or my rutabagas and carrots. I've put in a tablespoon of brown sugar and a tablespoon of butter. And I'm just going to mash these up. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of salt. Now you can make these as chunky or as smooth as you like. But we love us mashed carrots and rutabaga. Okay, now gotta remember that this is hot. Oh yeah! Here is our nice little roast beef. Whoops. Roast potatoes. We don't have an onion today, but shopping is Friday. Now, I am going to turn this on to bring it up to a boil. Now this is a very small roast. Roast and potatoes. Here I have 1/4 cup of flour and some cold water. Just put it together in this. 3. And mash Howie's potatoes down. And boom! I made the slurry rather thick because we had a lot of juice in here. Look at that. Look at that beautiful gravy. Turn that off. Whoops, dropped my whisk in there. Add a little bit of water. And there is some gorgeous gravy. Carrots and rutabagas. A little bit of butter. Mashed into his taters. It's the way he likes them. And after 34 years, I'm not about to argue. Pepper. And then, oh yeah, look at that. Let's take that to Howard and see what he has to say about tonight's supper. How was your day, dear?
Oh, terrific.
This is another Woodstove dinner. It's that little roast.
Yeah.
And potatoes and gravy and neeps and carrots. Gracie, you want to try a little piece of roast beef?
Done on the wood stove?
Yes, sir. In that oven box you built me. Now, wasn't that a good thing?
That was. Excellent dinner.
Thank you, darling. I'm going to see if Gracie will have a little piece of roast beef.
We have cake.
There's still apple cake left from the roast chicken dinner.
Awesome.
Here, give me a little piece of that meat. And take the gravy off it. She can't have anything fatty. But she ate roast last time, right?
Yeah.
She wouldn't eat chicken. Just a little piece. Gracie, you want a piece of meat? I'll take. She's lost so much weight. Ooh, what's that? One piece of roast? Come on, eat a piece of meat. Not even roast beef. Last time I cooked roast, she ate some.
She may eat.
She'll be eating it tomorrow. I've saved her a slice. This is the Mrs. Wolfie from Our Half Acre Homestead saying yet, once again, another good meal from the wood stove in the oven box that Howie built for me. I'm gonna miss it come summer. No, I'm not. You know, a little bit of thinking and some ingenuity and a handy husband, and you can make the best of most any situation, even cooking on a wood stove. Take care, God bless.